This is a battery installation tutorial. The people reported that the battery isn't properly seated and can fall out. This may be because this part wasn't installed correctly. On one hand, the lower sliding rail is too high. We have now adjusted the sliding rail down. First, remove the battery. And using a diagonal wrench, loosen this screw and the one below it. Then move the sliding rail downward a bit. And tighten the screws again. Now, install the battery. First, push it all the way in. Once installed, the key can lock normally. And the battery will no longer fall out. Another issue, the battery won't go in. In this case, push up slightly. Then push the battery in. Make sure it's fully seated. If it still won't go in, push this part upward. Then lock the key. And install the battery. Currently, the battery is not seated correctly. But now, it is properly installed. If the battery is hitting the frame and cannot be installed, adjust the battery sliding rail. After removing the battery, loosen these two screws. Once adjusted, move the rail backward. And then tighten the screws again. And the battery can be installed properly. Removing the battery follows the same method. If there's resistance when installing the battery, push the stuck part upward, and then install the battery. Once installed correctly, check if the key locks normally. If it does, then the battery is properly seated.